Here I am sharing my experience with AccountsFunda. It was very helpful for me throughout the session. Easy to use, accurate study material, deep study material you will get here. It is a wonderful application and you should go for it. Thank you so much Deepak sir for your efforts. You are a true godsend for me. Thank you so much. And if you really want to get 100% reliable result in your boards, then 12th class student must go for it. Must.
Hello everyone, I am Aryan Chopra of class 11th. I have been taking online lectures from Deepak sir for the past 1 month. Deepak sir's lecture are very good and the examples that he uses to explain the concepts help us to remember the concepts for a long period of time. Although his lectures are very self-explanatory and I personally do not have any doubt after seeing them, but even if I have any doubt, I can always personally call him to explain them.
Hello, I am Tanisha Lakotia from class 12. I have been studying from Deepak sir's lecture from 1 month. His lectures are amazing and he is always there to solve my doubts. And especially at this time when we all are struggling to go out of our house, his online lectures are best. Thank you, sir.
Hello, I am Suchitra. I had purchased Deepak sir's lectures in my 12th standard. My accounts were so weak before that. Deepak sir helped me a lot in clearing fundamentals. Their videos helped me a lot. You don't need another book or anything else if you see their videos. The videos cover so many questions with every difficulty and they covered all the syllabus. If you buy their lectures, you will find no difficulties to face any question in your question paper. And thank you, that's it. I will suggest you to buy Deepak sir's lecture. They are so doubt solving and very easy to understand. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर अप्रिसिएशन स्टूडेंट्स। एंड जो बच्चे नए हैं प्लीज़ आप मेरा कोर्स ट्राई करो, बहुत ही मेहनत से बनाया है, पूरा अकाउंट्स का सिलेबस कवर किया है, सारे कंसेप्ट पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करवाए हैं विद द ओनली मेन इंटेंशन कि आप लोग अकाउंट्स में सुपर स्ट्रांग हो जाए। आप कोर्स अभी ऑर्डर करो सो दैट आपका टाइमली अकाउंट्स का सिलेबस कवर हो जाए। फॉर स्पेशल प्राइस एंड फॉर एनी अदर क्वेरी यू कैन कॉल और व्हाट्सएप मी एट माई नंबर 9549165168। आप मुझे यहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं टू नो द स्पेशल प्राइस फॉर क्लास 11th एंड 12th अकाउंट्स। एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको मेरे क्लास के फीचर्स जानने हैं तो वो यहाँ पे वीडियो आया होगा, उसको देखिए। एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय यूट्यूब चैनल अकाउंट फंडा। इस बेल बटन को क्लिक करिए सो दैट यू रिमेन फुली अपडेटेड। थैंक यू वेरी मच।